This is a 1953 old Fiesta convertible, and I'm sure I videoed this car before in Brandon, Florida. This is a gorgeous one, orange and white, beautiful combination. Exterior is immaculate. Unfortunately, missing a wheel cover. I would imagine they're very hard to get. And this shows you how rare these cars are here on this plaque. We're lucky to have one in the area. And the reason I'm showing it here is because this car, not this particular car, but I'm sure the prototype for it was probably on display when that Futureliner Parade of Progress was being shown in '53, and it was in fact in Motorama, so I decided to show it here. So it's an excellent car, beautiful in every respect. And in the background there you can see the GM Futureliner Parade of Progress van. There it is.